Good morning, class. This is Nivartar Singh. Today I have taken the class BK 6th semester on topic of human resource management. We have last two times we have discussed all topics, and you have fully know about the what is this there. So now one time I have repeated once again what is human resource management. Human resource management. You know about what is a human? Human being means manpower, and its manpower is a lot of utility in any organization, like private sector or government sectors or industry or anywhere. It is a full utilization of the manpower, or it's called human resource. And how to use these resources in proper way, it's called its management. Properly how to manage, how to use the proper people for the right people for the right work on the right time, it's called the management of the manpower or human resource. So that human resource, it is an important assets of the any organization, important assets of the any organization, because without its assets we can't imagine about the any organization grow up or in develop. So it's necessary for the management of the manpower of the in a proper way or in a right way, so that we have firstly we have know about the how to manage our assets. We have fully know about the what is the our manpower eligibility, because like any industry there are different type of work group work there, like IT, production, marketing. So we will know about the which type of people, which department will be necessary. We have to select and produce them. So it's called a right management of the people. So that human resource is the important assets of the any organization, and we have to utilize proper way in the right time. And next, how to improve the human resource capability, because any human will be any organization he entered, he will not know about the what is the his capability, what is the organization, and organization will be not know about the what is his capability. So it is improved that his capability through training. Through training. Why it is necessary for the training for the human being? Because every organization a lot of changes in day by day, so that it is necessary for the new employee as well as old employee to improve their skills and knowledge according to the changes of the organization. According to the time being, he will be changes in skills and knowledge. Without skills and knowledge, any organization or any people will be not survive any organization or any industry. So that skill is a necessary. Skills means it is the capability of the people who do the job on the any machines, like any private industry or government sector. Machine will be not handled, he will be cause accidental. So it is necessary for the skill development by the people to the through training. There is a 4 type of training, that's on the job, off the job, electronic, and lastly is the very important web based training. Web based training. So that many organizations today use this type of training, and nowadays it is a very important training part of the web based training. Web based, you know about the what is web. Web is the net of the, you can say that on a sky, he will be all over world will be covered, and he will be provide training on all over world in anywhere or any country of the any place. So we have know about the what are the other trainings on the job. Classroom, and third is the coaching, apprenticeship, electronic training. And now third is the electronic training. There is 3 types. Floppy, disk, compact disk, CD, and last is the pen drive. And last we have web based training. We call internet based training. So that we have know about the what is training and why it is necessary for the human being or manpower or the human assets in the organization. Because scenario will be totally day by day changes very fastly. So it is necessary for the familiar to the new equipments or any equipments it will be utilized in organization. We have to train our workers or employee on the time being. So firstly, we have come to know about the on-the-job training. What is on-the-job training? On-the-job training means training will be provided during your job periods. So that is called on-the-job training. In first, JIT, J-I-T, JIT, Job Instruction Training. In this training, one instructor is there, and he will be instruct to all the employees or workers to how to use or utilize the machine properly in a proper way. It's called job instructor training. Second, job rotation. Job rotation means one employee to switch one place to another place on time being for the rotate to the one place to another place in a time being, so that's called job rotation. Apprenticeship. Apprenticeship is the part of an important training. It's called uses like lawyer, chartered accountants and medical practitioners. Just like we have give the example of a chartered accountant. He will all time he will be engaged and he will be learn about the how to do the work in all times. Lawyer. Lawyer is the also engaged all time any work, any case study, and he will be every case solved that he will be learn about the how to solve another case, this type of case incoming in future, how to solve that. And doctors. Doctors is generally 5 years completing their MBBS program, and then last 6 months he will be take on apprenticeship. In this apprenticeship, he will be engaged on 24 hours without any relaxation. He will be engaged on his duty. Second, off-the-job training. Off-the-job training. It means its training is the beyond your duty jobs. It's time about 9 to 5 and beyond the duty jobs. In first, vestibule training. Vestibule training. Vestibule training is the training that we have created the environment, which environment you have do the work, so that we have created the environments beyond the country or other way, so that is called vestibule training. It means it will create same environment there to get to know any problem, to feel about how to work in your organization, so that he will totally create the atmosphere of the same way, so that it's called vestibule training. Classroom training. Classroom training means you have all of study in your class times tuition, so that's it's called classroom training. In classroom training, one instructor is there and he will be solve the problem to how to resolve this problem to in a proper way. It's called classroom training. Coaching. Coaching means it is a instructor there. He will be guide to how to you have remove your problems on a proper way. And last, apprenticeship. In also apprenticeship is the of the job. So why it is also in the of the job? Because it is I have already discussed that it is a 24-hour jobs, so that it is include on the job and of the job or both. And next, electronic training. There are three types of training in electronic, like floppy, compact disc and pen drive. And nowadays very utility of the pen drive, not a utility of floppy and not a utility of compact disc. And lastly, we have discussed about the web-based training or internet-based training. Today scenario is total change, and it is a mostly important part of the training is the web-based training. In this training, without any physical involvement of any trainer or trainee, he will be get trained about the any machines, how to handle there and how to operate there. So that it's called web-based training. Thank you.